Hey guys, it's your Kylie Joshua TV back here with another video. Today I will be cleaning my old phone I've always been using all the time. I'm going to be cleaning my Samsung Galaxy J7 Prime. It's purpley, I got the purple case, but I always say purple phone, all that stuff. Here's my phone over here. I'm going to be cleaning my phone, so I'm going to take off the case. So yeah. Alright, let's take off the case. I gotta be careful now because I've been having this phone for almost 4 years. Hopefully, I'm gonna get a new one this year. Alright, guys. My phone's even like golden. Let's take off this. And I gotta take off this case here. Yeah, there you go. And here it is. And that was really quick. Here's the phone here. Here's my... If you think my phone is gold, just comment down below. So yeah. So now I will be cleaning this. This one's a little bit wet already. So I'm going to be cleaning my Samsung Galaxy J7 Prime. I got this phone December 2017. So I've been having this phone for almost 4 years. I have this phone since 2017. So yeah. And it works pretty fine, but sometimes it freezes on me. Sometimes I get really angry when it freezes on me. Because that's why I need a new phone. I've been staying this phone like forever now. So I'm cleaning my phone right now to make it look shiny, and the screen is a little scratched up a little bit. Here it is, says Samsung right here. I'm not a big fan of Androids. I'm a big fan of iOS. And this is the phone I always use filming all the time. So I'm gonna clean the phone here. Okay guys. Gosh, I wish this thing has a pause button in the iPhone, but it doesn't. So, yeah. Alright guys, hang on, I'll be right back, okay? I know this iOS doesn't have pause button. Alright guys, I'm back. So yeah guys, I'm cleaning my phone right now, and it looks a little bit shiny from, see? Yep. And yeah, so I'm gonna stop this video right now, but let me put the case on first. I just want to take care of my phone. I have to stay on this phone until my dad gets me a new one. Clean this. Hang on guys, I'll be right back, okay? Alright guys, I'm back. Alright, so now I think I'm done with my phone now. I'm already done cleaning it. As you guys can see. Well, right now it's 90% right now. So yeah. And great news guys, I'm customizing my own t-shirt, and yeah. I'm working that right now. So yeah, I'm gonna stop with this video, but I need to put the case back. So I'm gonna put this really carefully, because I really don't want to break it. Thankfully, I got a screen protector on this thing. So alright, and then I'm gonna put the purple case back. Alright, let's put it a little gently. Alright, so now I got it, but now I'm going to clean it a little bit more. Alright guys, so now, right now it's 8 something, 8:40 or 8:50 something, I gotta get to my distance learning really fast because I really don't want to miss my attendance. Man, that squeaky noise. I have to use this phone until my dad decides what phone he's gonna get me. I gotta behave too, to be honest, guys. Alright guys, look at now, it's a little bit shiny for me. It's a little bit shiny. Alright guys, so now it's kind of shiny now. Ta-da, a little shiny now. Alright guys, so now, that was this part of the video, just cleaning my phone, all that stuff. So don't forget guys to comment and subscribe to our new channel, Kylie Joshua TV. And yeah, I'm gonna stop this video. Thanks you guys for watching. Don't forget to comment, subscribe, like, comment, all that stuff. Do what you gotta do. And yeah, I'll probably see you guys in the next video. Alright, have a nice day. Stay home, stay safe. Alright, bye.